Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr. Moorthi, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So this is a lecture series of automotive vehicle component design. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called a design of vehicle steering system. So if you're going to design a steering system, we have to consider important parameters like precision, control, and innovation. So the steering system is plays a major role in the direction control. So with help of a steering system, we can control the direction and the direction where we are moving. So this is very important, and also it consider the driver vehicle interfaces, and it plays a major role in the performance. So what are the core component of steering system? Yes, we are taking consider a steering system, whole system. In that we have a number of components, we have steering wheels, and then steering columns, and then steering knuckles, and we have an important component like the gearing system, like a rack and pinion gearing system. So this rack and pinion gearing system will control and plays a major role while turning the vehicle. And yes, we discussed the rack and pinion. So this is the steering mechanism of any automobile vehicle. So this rack and pinion system is the very important in the steering, and it controls the direction of the vehicle. And it implies there are two major components like rack and pinion. So where this pinion is like a gear, this gear will rolls over the surface of rack, so that we can control the entire vehicle direction with the help of steering wheel and then rack and pinion mechanisms. And we have another the usual factor like Ackermann steering geometry. So this plays a major concept of the perfect wheel angle in turns. So yes, we know we have a different orientation in the direction, and this rule called Ackermann, this defines the steering geometry so that we can make the perfect turning of vehicle. And then what is the optimizing steering angle? So here, steering angles, yes, we know we have, yes, I said earlier, we have different factors we need to consider while designing the steering system. So in that, camper, caster, and toes. So this toe further have the classifications like toe in and toe out. So these are the major factors. It define the vehicle stability and the performance. So this camper, caster, and toe. So we have to design and optimize the what is the actual angle of the wheel with the steering system. So as we know, the camper angle. So this is we know as these camper, caster, and toe is further classified into in and out, based on the angle of wheel with a as a road surface, steering axle, and then vehicle axis. So first, the camper angle. So the inward or upward tilt of the wheel when viewed from the front of the vehicle. So front of the wheel. So we have to view from the in front of wheel whether it is in a tilt inward or outward. So that based on the a tilt, we have a classification like camper, positive camper, and the negative camper. Yes, based on the forward and backward tilt of the steering axle, it is viewed from the side. So based on that, we have classifications like positive caster, negative caster, and the third one is a toe. So here we are viewing from the in front of wheel whether these front wheels are both of the front wheels are uh, towards inner and then outward. If it is a towards inside, and then it is called as a toe in, and then if it is outward means it's a toe out. So these are the factor. It possesses own its plus and minus, and then we have to control the this angle of the tilt or toe in or toe out. And then power steering. So yes, in the 20 years back or 30 years back, or even uh, long before. So we have the manual steering, so it needs the more amount of manual effort to make the turning. And but now we have power steering, so with the minimum effort of manual power, so we can make the turning or using the steering very with a comfort manner. And then advanced and emerging steering technology, and the technologies like steering steer by wire, and active front and rear wheel steering, and the autonomous driving integration. So these are the recent innovations is incorporated into the steering mechanism, so that we can have perfect and smooth turning. And then it gives the better stability of the vehicle, and with the minimum vibration to the passenger, and it ensures the safe journey travel, and with the perfect comfort is for the passenger. Thank you.